Today I am making, I'm making some fish for dinner. I think I'm going to do some fish tacos. I'm going to do fried fish and regular fish. And this is a nice, beautiful avocado. This is avocado. This is not an avocado. This is a, what is this? I can't even believe, I don't even know what this is. I know what this is, but I can't think of what this is right now. Mango. This is a mango. I'm peeling this mango. And I am going to make some mango salsa for my fish tacos. For my fish in general. I love mangoes. Do you like mangoes? I really like mangoes. And I've made this, look at that. I'm throwing that in there. I've made this mango salsa before. It's really simple and easy. It's just has red onions and jalapenos, fresh jalapenos, a little bit of lime juice, some cilantro, mangoes, of course. What else? Red onion. Did I say red onion? These are slippery little boogers to peel. I'm gonna I can't even talk today. I'm gonna peel 2 of them. These things were only like 99 cents at my grocery store. You know what? They don't smell like a mango. That's weird. They smell like something else. I don't know. And mango, isn't that what they call the passion fruit? Is mango's passion fruit? It says mango on there, but it just don't smell like a mango. I love mangoes. I guess we'll see if it's passion fruit, won't we? Alright, once I have everything in my bowl here, which is cilantro, a nice big heaping pile of cilantro. I've got some red onions, some jalapenos to taste, however much you like to put in there. That's almost a whole jalapeno, and I want you to look how big some of these jalapenos are. You see that? How big that is. Now that's one big pepper. Look at that. Those are huge. I'm going to have to think of something to do with the rest of these. And I used a nice big handful of cilantro, like I said, and there is my mangoes, my passion fruit. I guess we'll have to see how passion this fruit is, huh? And then I'm just going to add about the juice of half of a lime right in there. And this is really good over, this is good over fish. This is good with fish. It's good to be served, you know, right alongside with fish, just like a regular salsa would be. And I'm just gonna mix this together, just as quick as I find something. Look at that. It smells divine already. I probably could use a little bit more red onion. I'll probably put just a little bit more red onion in that. Number one, leaves a little bit more color in it. I always base it by, you know, when I'm doing stuff like this, like equal amounts of, it's gotta look like equal amounts of stuff in there. Is how I feel anyway. All right, now what I like to do is, to make my fish tacos are really simple. Look at my fish in there. This is just, I believe this is tilapia. This is frozen. I didn't get this at a, like a seafood place. I got it from the frozen food section. It's much better if you get it from like the Kroger, if you have like a seafood marketplace in your local grocery store. Stop it, you two. But then I'm just going to add, we're going to do like a quick marinade. You're going to add about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of olive oil. I've lost my olive oil lid. And you're going to do some chili powder. Use about a teaspoon of chili powder right in there. You don't want it too, if I'm saying this right, chili powdery. You know what I'm saying? You don't want it too much. I have been chopping onions and jalapenos, and they are making my nose run. And this is garlic powder, which I'm sure they probably already have one open, but guess what? And I get mad at myself because I have like 15 things open. I'm going to use about a nice teaspoon of garlic powder as well. And you're going to use the juice of half a lemon. This is a lime, not a lemon. Which is probably 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then we're just going to whisk this together, mix this together. We're not going to whisk it. We're just going to mix it with our spoon. Just kind of give that a stir. Oh, it smells lovely. Let's put a little bit of salt in it. And you can put some pepper. Where is my pepper? Lost my pepper. I need some pepper for my pepper mill. I need some new pepper mill, salt and pepper mill grinders. I'm gonna have to get out and get me some. And then just stir that, and then we're just gonna pour this directly over the fish. And we're gonna let this marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, you don't want to leave it in there too long because it will start making the fish mushy. It'll start to cook the fish. You know, the acidity of the fish, or of the lime. And if you really wanted to, you could cut up some fresh garlic right over top, but I think we added a good amount of garlic. So we're just going to let that sit and that kind of rub it all around there. Right in the pan. This is a wonderful fish taco recipe. You guys are gonna really, really like this. I mean, not that this is a recipe, but I mean, it's just a little tutorial, a little vlog going on. I think I got enough room for all that. And you know what? I'm gonna pour some of that right over top. And we're gonna let these cook. Watch. It's about to die again. I gotta show you though. I got a haircut. Look how short my hair is. It feels so much better. There ain't nothing like going to the beauty shop and letting them scrub your hair. Between that and the passion fruit mangoes today, oh my gosh, this is gonna be the best day ever. Look at those tacos. Light lettuce. She likes light lettuce. Look at that mango salsa. Look how good it looks.
How am I supposed to?
Just eat like a soft taco.
Girl, then all the stuff falls out.
Huh? Stick a toothpick in it, man.
One toothpick.
I thought you were going to take a bite.
Just want to eat taco.
You better go light on that mango salsa because those jalapeno peppers, my thumb is still burning from de-seeding them. They're huge too. Girl, if it's taking your breath, you know it's going to be hot.
I'm ready.
She's been waiting for these. Alright guys, I hope you like this short little vlog of me making fish tacos. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Take care.